Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on streaming movies with Netflix, full guide step by step clearly. Start by evaluating your current streaming habits. Identify the movies and TV shows you watch the most. Check if you're using multiple streaming services. Consider consolidating your subscriptions to save money. Explore Netflix's extensive library, which often includes exclusive content. Take advantage of Netflix's free trial if you're a new user. Sign up during promotional periods when Netflix offers discounts. Consider sharing a Netflix account with family or friends within the same household. Remember, Netflix allows multiple profiles under one account. Keep track of when your subscription renews to avoid unexpected charges. Use Netflix's download feature to watch movies offline. This can help avoid data charges while streaming on the go. Create a watch list to prioritize films you want to see. Regularly check the Coming Soon section for new releases. Utilize the ratings and recommendations to discover content that fits your taste. Take advantage of parental controls if you have children. This can help manage what content your family can access. Explore Netflix's original films, which are often available exclusively on the platform. Consider seasonal binge watching to maximize value from your subscription. Watch for email notifications about changes to Netflix's pricing or offerings. Consider pausing your subscription during months when you won't be watching. Keep an eye on Netflix's social media for promotions or special offers. Stay informed about any industry changes that might affect your subscription rates. With these steps, you can effectively save on streaming movies with Netflix. Now, enjoy your movie nights without overspending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.